Kodi not working on Fire TV Stick. Is your Kodi app crashing or stuck on a black screen? It is incredibly frustrating when you just want to relax and watch your favorite show. I know exactly how you feel. You have tried everything and nothing seems to work. But do not worry, you are in the right place. I can assure you that you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. We will go through the solutions together. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour. Please take a second to like this video and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel Tech Vibes for more helpful tech tips. The first and easiest fix is to restart your device. This refreshes the system and clears minor glitches. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Restart. Alternatively, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Solution number 2 is clearing the Kodi cache. Overloaded cache is a very common cause for app crashes. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications, then go to Kodi, then select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data yet. Third, you must ensure Kodi is updated to the latest version. Since it is not in the official store, we use the Downloader app. Open the Downloader app and visit the official Kodi website to download the latest APK file for Android devices. Fourth, make sure your Fire TV Stick software is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with apps. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart. Fifth, check your internet connection. Kodi requires a fast and stable Wi-Fi signal to stream content without buffering. You need at least 15 to 20 megabits per second for high-definition streaming. Try switching to the 5 GHz band if available. Sixth, try disabling hardware acceleration. This can solve black screen issues on many Android-based devices. In Kodi Settings, go to Player, then go to Video. Set the settings level to Expert and toggle off Allow Hardware Acceleration. If nothing else works, your last resort is to reinstall the app. This will clear any corrupted files from your system. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications, then go to Kodi, then select Uninstall, then reinstall the latest version. Pro tip: sometimes internet providers block Kodi traffic. Using a reliable VPN can bypass these blocks and improve your speeds. By following these verified steps, you should have Kodi running smoothly on your Fire TV Stick once again. I hope this guide helped you fix the problem and saved you a lot of time and frustration today. Remember to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. Stay confident, you have got this. See you in the next video.